Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm Khan. So this video, as you've probably seen from the title, it's things that don't make sense in Minecraft. So let's get started. Please subscribe and like this video, and let's get started. Okay, so for the first one, well, I'm sure lots of people use this. I'm just going to put my volume down. I'm sure lots of people use this, but have you ever thought about this? How does this make sense? So, I mean, we know if I just stay here, I'm gonna drown, I'm losing air bubbles, but if I just get in a door, I'm fine. So, if you think about it, and if you think in real life, if you could just put a door and just have just if you can just breathe underwater like that, it just doesn't make sense at all. Moving to the next one. So this one is kind of a glitch, but still, obviously it won't make sense. So we all know water and lava do not mix. I have a cauldron. If I do this, yeah, it just doesn't make sense. So if I just get in here, what makes it even crazier is that I can take damage and die from this. So this doesn't make any sense at all. Okay, so moving on to the next thing that doesn't make sense in Minecraft. Now this is related to snow. So, well, how does this not make sense? Okay, let me show you. So we all know if I do this, I have top snow blocks. If I just do this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It took me 8 blocks to make one snow block. So, but something else which is very weird is, so you saw over there it took me 8 top snow blocks, but if I just do this 1, 2, 3, 4 and then break these with a shovel to get snowballs and just use it in a crafting table, I can get one snow block from just 4 snowballs, whereas on the other case I need 8. So this doesn't make sense at all. Okay, so moving on to the next one. Now this is related to chests. So now this doesn't make sense. Let me just show you. So obviously we know we can place chests and we can get storage. If I just put this, I have lots of storage now. But what doesn't make sense about this is I can literally put a chest inside a chest. I mean, how does this make sense? And I can fill this whole thing up with chests, and this just won't make sense. This whole chest is full of chests. So that's another thing that doesn't make any sense. Okay, so moving on to the next one. This is related to the mushroom mob, which you will find in mushroom field biomes. So I mean, normally you'll find it in mushroom field biomes, but I'm just gonna spawn one over here. So if you see this, it's a mushroom, which is kind of like a cow, but it has red mushroom on it. So if I just shear it, it just becomes a cow. So that doesn't make sense, firstly. And then the second thing that should happen is if I right click this cow with a red mushroom, it should become a mushroom. But that's not happening. So this doesn't make sense again. Okay, so moving on to the next one, as it's related with snow golem. So if I just spawn a snow golem, that's how you spawn one, 2 snow blocks and 1 carved pumpkin. And you have your snow golem. And if I just use, that's all you need, by the way. Just need this, just 2 snow blocks and 1 carved pumpkin. But then if you look at this, what are these black things on it? And these sticks, these are arms, but how are they there if we only use 2 snow blocks and 1 carved pumpkin, which you can see is there? But if I just use shears on this, the carved pumpkin is gone. Technically, it's just 2 snow blocks now without a carved pumpkin, if that makes sense. So yeah, technically this is the same as this, which doesn't make sense at all. On this time, I'm going to be using a stone cutter. And what doesn't make sense about this is, well, there are two things that don't make sense about this. If I just come into survival, place a stone cutter, don't you think that sharp blade which is cutting stone, it should do some damage or something? Nothing is happening if I stand on it. No damage, nothing. So that's the first thing that doesn't make sense. And the next thing that doesn't make sense about this, which also may be a tip for you, if you have been using crafting tables to craft stairs like this, I can craft stairs like this. So yeah, this is 6 stone I used to make 4 stairs. But if I just use the stone cutter, I just have to use 1. That means the crafting table is a scam. Okay, next one. This has got to do with the jukebox, the very well-known jukebox. So I'm sure you know how to craft this thing, even though it's like mostly made out of wood. You need a diamond to craft it. Let me just show you how it's crafted. So I'll just need oak planks and 1 diamond. So if I just put a crafting table, I can craft it like this. Oak planks over here, and then 1 diamond in the middle, and there's our jukebox. But what doesn't make sense about this is, you need a diamond to craft it. I mean, do I see any diamond which is over here? No diamond whatsoever. Is there any diamond? Look carefully. Do you see anything which has a diamond? So that's why I think that jukeboxes just doesn't make sense that you need a diamond to craft it. Okay, so the next one, again, the crafting table is going to be a scam in this one. So we all know we can repair our tools using an anvil, but if you didn't know, we can repair our tools using a crafting table also. If I just give myself 2 stone shovels and let's dig for some time, and you can see this, it has 124 uses left. This one, let's use it a few more times, and this has 122, and this one also has 122. So if I don't even need the crafting table, I can just use the grid over here. If I just do this, it combines the durabilities and it becomes one brand new shovel. So what doesn't make sense about this? Well, the crafting table is a scam again. Let's just clear the weather, please. The crafting table is a scam again. So what if I just don't use my shovel? I just have 4 brand new shovels, and if I do this, 2 shovels I'm using in a crafting table, I'm making it 1. How does this make any sense? Okay, so moving on to the next one. Now we are going to be using our good old fence, and you'll see why we need a carpet also. So we all know if I just put a fence, like place something like this. So now like I can't jump over it. The only way I can do it is by using blocks. And if I just place some, let's say I just use some block and place it over here, it won't work. And it seems like I can jump over this, but I really can't. But if I place a carpet, which is even taller than the fence altogether, I can. How does this make any sense? Does this make sense to you? I can just do this. It really doesn't make any sense. Okay, so now something which you may not know. If I just get a campfire and a tool which has silk touch. So let's see, and let's just take a water bucket too. You'll see why. So if I just place my campfire here, it's good. You can like cook up food on it. But let's say you by mistakenly just put the fire out. Now, without any flint and steel, how are you supposed to reignite this thing? What if I told you you only need a Silk Touch netherite axe? Now right clicking won't work, but if I just break this with a Silk Touch, not doesn't have to be a netherite axe, can be any axe, just any tool with a Silk Touch enchantment, and place it again, and it's working again. It doesn't make any sense. What does Silk Touch do to make it work again? Okay, so moving on to the next one, it's related with chests again, and I'm gonna get a hoe, and you'll see why. So we all know if I just do this and place a chest over here, it won't open. Whatever I do, it's not going to open. But if I just use a netherite hoe, doesn't have to be a netherite hoe, it can be any hoe, and just till the dirt over it. Yeah, it has to be dirt if you till it, but it works with any block. I mean, if I use a chest and place it over here, and let's just use a jukebox, you can use any block and it just won't work. So what if I told you you just need, if you have dirt over the chest, if you just right click it with a hoe and open the chest, it works for some reason, which doesn't make any sense at all. What will hoeing the dirt on top of it do to make this chest magically open? So let's move on to the next one. We all know that if we just use a water bucket on the campfire, it yeah, goes off. But let's say we have a sponge, and let's just use a sponge, and let's just place it over here. It drains most of the water, but then if I just pick it up to drain some more, it becomes wet. So what doesn't make sense about this? So we all know if we smelt this wet sponge in a furnace, it'll become dry, or if we go to the nether and place it, it'll become dry. But what doesn't make sense is if I just grab a flint and steel and do this, it won't. It just won't. It doesn't make any sense at all, because if you can light a campfire with flint and steel, but then why can't you light a wet sponge and make it dry again with the flint and steel? Clear the weather again. Yeah, so that doesn't make any sense at all. So there we go, the redstone signal, which it's not even touching. And see, if I just place it like this also, it's not even touching. How is it activating? You can see there's a clear gap. So that doesn't make any sense. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I'd really like it if you would like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. So thanks for watching again. Stay safe and bye.